Let's see if this works. Okay, it says I'm live. Hello, YouTube. I don't know if this is working. I assume it is. Anyway. What is up, everybody? On both Twitch and YouTube. Let me see if I guess I can try putting YouTube chat on screen. Hello, hello, hello. I now talk to you, YouTube viewers, who are not watching on Twitch. Welcome to the stream. Question, Andre, Nothing But Nothing, Jarf, Chip No, Bence, Tagoa, Polemi. Hello, hello, how's it going? An ad? This is an ad, but this is a cool ad. This is a sponsorship that I think is actually going to be interesting. And let me show you guys what I'm doing today. So this company reached out called Code Crafters. And what they do is like really high level tutorials, basically. So like, instead of like learn how to use JavaScript, the tutorials are like build Docker from scratch or build SQLite from scratch. And so that's really interesting to me. So I'm gonna, this is not like this is hashtag ad technically. I think I have to do that for legal reasons. But it's like, this is not like a traditional sponsorship. This is like I just get like a cut of the money that you put in if you subscribe to their service. Which I think in the YouTube description of the video, there's a link. And on Twitch, if you do ! Code Crafters, you should see a link. So I think this should be very interesting. I'm gonna see if I can follow their quote unquote tutorial. I have no idea what this is gonna be like. But we're gonna try to build SQLite. So, what is this gonna look like? Okay. Select a language to proceed. I think we're gonna do this in Rust, huh? I think that Rust makes the most sense. I mean, what languages do they have? C#, C++, yuck. Go. I don't really want to learn Go. I don't really want to build SQLite in JavaScript. It sounds awful. Java's dog. Python I don't like. Ruby I've never used. Zig I've heard of, but I prefer Rust. So I think we're going to go Rust. What did C# do to me? C# was like one of my first languages. Honestly, C# is not bad. I just haven't used it in a while. And it's hard to get working very well on Linux. Okay, how would I describe my experience level with Rust? Ooh, I mean, I'm either intermediate or advanced. I would call myself advanced. I've done a lot of Rust. Practice cadence. How often do I intend to practice? I don't know. A few times a week, whatever. Don't send me emails though. Chat. Ooh, let me make a leaderboard on the website, I guess. I'll make an automated team. Okay. And I'll just post this link. If anyone wants to follow around or follow along, I'll post this link in Twitch chat and on YouTube chat. Imagine disliking Rust and liking C++. C++, yuck. Okay. We prepared a starter repository with some Rust code for you. Okay, cool. We'll clone this. What the fuck just happened? Oh, I'm in the folder. It wants me to make a commit. What was this? Oh, I see. Gotcha. Okay. It runs tests when you do a git push. This is interesting. This is more than I thought they would have. Your task. In this stage, you'll implement one of SQLite's dot commands, .dbinfo. It prints metadata about a database file. It's executed like this. Okay. Gotcha. All right, let's open this up. Where am I? Here I am. What's Code Crafters? Code Crafters is the thing that is sponsoring me here. And what it is basically really high level, complicated coding tutorials. Okay, Rust format.toml. If I make this file and set it to hard tabs equals true, I should have, beautiful. Tabs instead of 4 spaces. Yuck. $40 a month is kind of steep. Yeah, I think you get a lifetime subscription. And I think also that if you have a job in tech, you can probably get your employer to pay for it. Okay, hold on. Hold the phone. Oh, I'm gonna get fucked by copyright, aren't I? If I try to play my normal music. YouTube. Come on. How deep did this tutorial go? I don't know. I haven't looked at it yet. I haven't started it. Let me find a let me find a video game OST I can play. Can you shuffle playlists on YouTube? Probably can, right? Yes, you can. Shuffle playlist. All right, how's volume? I think we're good. How long are we gonna look at these soaps? This is a thing on my stream. No complaints about soaps here. $40 a month is still a heavy $72. Yeah, this is what I think. I think that you should watch my stream. I think you should see if this... there's a free one. Yeah, there's also like a trial plan, right? I think you should see if this sounds good to you. And it looks like the DNS server one here is free during beta. So you can probably do at least this one and see if it's like fun and useful. I don't know. I think I don't know if this is worth it to everybody. I think it's cool. We'll see what it is. We'll see if this is fun. So here we are. No, don't zoom in. I would like to do that. Thank you. All right. It looks like they've already put some shit in here for me. It opens the file. It reads the first 100 bytes as a header. It reads exactly 100 bytes into this buffer. It grabs. Okay, cool. Yeah, it grabs a page size from the header. Okay, so it looks like this is just some binary file format that I'll have to look up. Okay. Let's see what it wants. Okay, so let's cargo cargo run sample.db.db info. So if I run this, it should compile my Rust code, and logs from your program will appear here. Great, perfect. Crimson, thank you for the 23 months of Prime. Appreciate that. Is there any specific reason I chose the SQLite project? I am interested in the SQLite project because I never really learned data structures. And what I'm hoping is that this will give me an idea. Like I'm curious on how they make databases efficient, basically. I'm using Arch Linux, Xenon Log. They don't support Swift? Okay, cool. Good to know. To find the page size, you'll need to read the database header. Here's the output it expects, database page size 1024. Okay, this should be easy. I just have to, like, do database page size. And then just put page size in here, right? Should be as simple as that. Let's see if that prints out 1024. 4096. It'll vary depending on the test database. Okay, cool. So is it expecting me to... Oh, fuck, it never mind. The printlin's right here. I did not notice that. That's funny. Azrael, thank you for the tier 1. Appreciate that. You're distracted by the soaps? Good. The soaps will never turn off. How hard is Rust in your opinion? I am a fan of it. It's tricky to learn, for sure. But I like it. Commit and push. Okay, so it just wants me to commit this. Stage 1. Running tests. Oh, that's so cool. Wow, that is fucking sick. That I just push to git and then this instantly pops up and it says that I completed it. That's cool. It looks like Andrew has joined my team and is working along with me. So if anyone else wants to, I'll post the link again. Exclamation point code crafters. Or in the YouTube, I think it's in the YouTube description of the stream. Okay, so view next stage. We're done. Print number of tables. You'll expand on the db info command. So actually, let me do this. Let me do SQLite 3 sample.db because I have actual SQLite binary .db info. Look at that. So this is what the actual SQLite 3 prints out. Lots of shit. And this is what mine prints out so far. So we're on our way. Okay. To find the number of tables, you'll need to count the number of rows in the SQLite schema table. Okay. Number of tables 2. So how do I get that? Oh man. Holy shit. Okay, they're just fucking throwing me into this. What the hell? They're just throwing me into this. There's no hints about this at all. Except code examples, I guess. Okay. Okay, so now we're in this shit. This is gonna be fun. What do I need to do? I need to count the number of rows in the SQLite schema table. Database file format. Page 1 of a database file is the root page of a table B tree that holds a special table. Okay, page 1 of a database file. So how big is the header? That's the question. How big is the header? The main database file consists of 1 or more pages. The size of the page, it says right, I have the size of the page, there it is. Pages are numbered beginning with 1. Okay, the header is 100 bytes. Great. Okay, so what I'm assuming is I should be able to, I did select advanced, that's very true. So I've read the header, and I have the page size, so now I should be able to read pages from the file. So, can I tell how many pages there are? I don't think I can. So, I would like to, let's see if I can just read the first page, which would be, page equals, and it's not a 0 through 100, it's not, it's filled with zeros, and I want page size amount of bytes. So I'm making an empty buffer that is 4,096 bytes long. Turn off Copilot if I'm a real one. Oh, turn off Copilot, huh? You want to make this really hard on me? Fuck it, I'm down. I'm a coder. Let's do this shit. Who needs Copilot? This is okay, yeah, wait, what? Attempt to use a non-constant value in a constant? I'm not trying to make this a constant. Yeah, we can make page size a constant value, I guess, because that's not going to change. Never mind, we cannot make this a constant value. Okay, hold on. Maybe I'm not fucking... maybe I'm not advanced in Rust. Does this challenge require a subscription for code crafters? I think you can do the first 2 stages, which I'm on stage 2 right now, without a subscription. And I think there are challenges that don't require subscriptions. So I would, let me post the, hold on, ! Code crafters. Let me post this link in YouTube chat for the YouTube viewers. And I will pin this message. There we go. Okay. So, you can't make a constant size. You should be able to do this though, right? I mean, I think I can just make a new vec new, but not new. I would like vec dot with, you can instantiate a vec with a size, right? Rust new vec constant size. Actually, I do want this to be a fucking just a buffer, right? Rust new buffer non-constant. Create empty array with length from the variable. Yeah. This is the exact problem. Use a vec with capacity. Okay, so I can't use a slice. Okay. But vec with capacity is what I need. Good to know. Vec with capacity, page size. Okay, so there's our page. And now I would like to, this has to be a U size. You good here? Should be good. Then I should do file.read exact. I don't know if read exact will work here. Read into this page, please. And make this page mutable. And then this is mad at me because I can't do that. Reading 0 byte data to vec. Oh, it wants me to resize it first. Okay, hold on. Yes, this is what I wanted to do in the first place. Shortcut here. Boom. Boom. And we should be good. Okay, so that's our first page. Now I would like to print lin out page like that. And let's see what this gives me. Okay, we got a big old page with 13 so look at this, chat. Look at this. Is this actually a good thing about buying it? I don't know. Watch my stream. See if this kind of high level coding is interesting to you. And I am on advanced mode, so I think that it's probably not as hard as this normally. So I'm thinking right now, perhaps 13,000, that can't be the number of tables, but there's got to be 13,000 is definitely like a uint 32, right? It's definitely a 32-bit integer right here, which is set to 13. And then there's a bunch of zeros, and then there's some data at the end. So what is it? What do we want here? Database file format. So page 1 is the root page of a table B tree that holds a special table named SQLite schema. Ooh, you know what I want to see? What is SQLite schema? Wait, oh shit! How long is the text SQLite schema? Wait, hold on, chat. Wait, I might be onto something here. SQLite schema dot length is 13. Where have I seen 13 before? Right here. I would bet you anything that this right here is the text SQLite schema or something. It doesn't look like it, but that's got to be related, right? There's no way. There's no way that's a coincidence. The structure of the SQLite table is as if it had been created using the following SQL. Type text, name text, table name text, root page integer SQL text. The SQLite schema contains one row for each table, index, view, and trigger. Trigger, I don't know what a trigger is. The type column is one of these things. This name is a thing. But I don't understand. Yes, I do read YouTube chat sometimes. But I am prioritizing Twitch chat. Was this in the entire page? This should be the first. Actually, I don't know. This might not actually be read as at an offset. Read exact at, perhaps. Hold on. Let's do this. Let's make a buff reader. From our file. Let's do this up here. Reader. Does this give me the same result? It does. So maybe it was good. Maybe it was good. I don't know. No, I played like day 1 of Advent of Code and it was not very fun for me. So I stopped doing it. I don't understand at all how to read any of this data. So let me read through more of this shit. The database header. Header string SQLite format 3. Database page size in bytes. File, blah, blah, blah. Lots of shit. Version number. Is there any reserved? Okay, there is reserved bytes in here. There's a free, you can free trial, I think, and you get to do up to the thing that I'm doing right now. And then after that, you have to pay. Magic SQLite string page size. Suggested cache size. B tree. I don't know what a B tree is. I have no idea what a B. Is it a? It's not a binary tree, is it? It is? Oh. Oh shit! Wait, that's what the 13 is. Okay, the 13 was a fucking coincidence. The 1 byte flag at offset 0 indicates the B tree page type. A value of 2, it's an interior index, interior table, leaf index, and leaf table. So this is a leaf table B tree page, I guess? It's not a binary tree. Okay. Rust has a B tree type, right? B tree map. Okay. Okay. So what this says is this is a leaf table B tree page, and then the next 2 bytes are an integer, which say that's the start of the first free block, or so there's 0, so that means there's no free blocks. And then the number of cells on this page is 3. And then the 1 byte integer at offset 7, the number of fragmented free bytes is 14. And then there's a 4 byte number. That's a pointer? They're like binary trees, but not binary. Okay, good to know. So just like trees. Hero268, thank you for the Prime sub on Twitch. Appreciate it. What the fuck is this shit? Oh, dude, I'm already... this is overwhelming. I don't want to peek into the example code here. That's my goal. I want to pass this without... Don't worry, this stage would be pretty easy. Almost everyone who attempts this stage passes it. Oh, no. Come on. Okay, it's a some kind of fancy data type. Okay. Page 1 is the root page of a table B tree. Hold on, let me open this file in a hex editor, so that I can just, for sanity's sake. SQLite format 3, blah, blah, blah. How much do I have? Can I tell how much I have? Yes, I can tell that I have 91, 108, 100 bytes. Hold on, I'm trying to fucking select this, and it's kind of hard, huh? I can't select the first one. Whatever. I'll just select 99 bytes. And then 0D is a 13, right? Yeah, okay, so I'm doing this properly. I'm doing this correctly. This 0D is the start of the first page, and I have... it's just as a sanity check. Oh, shit. Wait, there's some shit in here. Look at this. There's some actual just plain text in here, huh? Oranges, apples. Tangerine. Great for sweeter juice. Okay. Got it. Makes sense. So I got my first page. It's the root page of a table B tree that holds a special table. It's the root page of a table B tree, but that doesn't make sense, right? Because when I looked for the 13, a value of 13 means it's a leaf table B tree page. So that doesn't make sense to me. Shouldn't it be a root table? Isn't a leaf different from a root? Leaf table B tree page. Leaf index. So it's not an index. Or is a leaf a root? If you don't have any created tables, then the root is the leaf. The number of tables. I need to count the number of rows in the SQLite schema table. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Let's make a new file. Let's call this table.rs. And let's make a pub struct table. Or do I want a table, or do I want to let's make okay, no, change my mind. This is going to be called this is going to be called page.rs. And we're going to make a struct called page, and it's the first thing it's going to hold is the type. Hold on. Don't want to lose my spot. Okay, so you are going to hold an enum page type. And the enum is either going to be interior index, or it is going to be interior table. Jolly Skydiver, thank you for the 21 months of tier 1. Appreciate that. Or this is going to be leaf index. Or this is going to be leaf table. Okay. Now, a page is going to have its type, page type. I haven't done Rust in a bit. Okay, great. And then I would like to make an impl for page. And this is going to, I'm just going to make a pub function from bytes. No, let me do this. Let me do let page equals reader. No, equals page read. And we're going to read this from our reader. From a mutable reference to our reader, like this. And we're going to do that. And we're going to do this. And we're going to call this read. And then here we're going to have a just make this mute buff reader. Or and we also have to give us a page size here. And this is going to return self. Oops. Okay. Let's add anyhow to this crate. What's up with my key? Oh, I'm in a different mood. Then we're going to return OK, self. And I would like to do... Oh, this is going to be a bit interesting, right? Because I have to turn a turn a U8 into a enum. I don't know how to do that in a nice way. I think actually what I do have to do is add a repr U8, right? And then we impl try from. Okay, so far so good. Page type should be here. Put a question mark right there. Do this, and then I just have to do match value. Hold on, watch this, chat. Copy, paste. Oops. Duplicate my cursor a couple times. Then I should be able to do a bit of this. That. Easy clap. And then anything else we do... How do I create one of these? There's a easy way to do this. And we just wrap this whole thing in OK, get rid of these OKs. And then just have this bail. Okay, there we go. Cool. Okay. What next? Let's see if this works now. I have to pass in the page size and the reader, and then run it. Okay, it did work. Page type is leaf table. We got it correct. So now what what comes after that? The root page of a table B tree. Except I know that it's just a bunch of fucking bytes here, right? Where did I have this? Here we are. Okay, the 2-byte integer gives the start of the first free block. So I have no idea what a free block is. Oh shit, this is what I needed to see. A B-tree page is divided into regions in the following order. The 100-byte database file header found on page 1 only. Wait, what? Wait, hold a moment. Found on page 1 only? So should I be trying to read... No, that doesn't make sense. Wait, no, it does make sense. Okay, wait, this makes a lot more sense now. Shit, okay, so the header is part of the first page. So I just need to do page size minus 100 here, I guess. Because we've already read the header. The first page is always a table B-tree page. Okay, that's good. Table B-tree page, that's what it is. The reserved region is a space of unused thing. Extensions can use it. Okay. B-tree page headers. 12 bytes for leaf pages and 8 bytes for leaf pages and 12 for interior pages. Gotcha. Okay. You better put that 100 in a variable. It's a fucking constant. Fucking whatever. Okay. Const header size. There we go. Okay, cool. Okay, so we've read the first page. So the start of the first free block, or 0 if there are no free blocks. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go to our page type, and we're gonna have gives the start of the first free block. What is start? What does start mean? Does it mean the offset? Does it mean that is this like a pointer? I guess I don't know what a okay, we're skipping the song. I guess I don't know what a free block is, so I couldn't tell you. But we'll say, I'll just call this offsets will be akin to pointers. I know, but it says fucking start. It doesn't say offset. Okay. I'll call this free block, and I'm gonna make this an option U16, and then we're going to have a cell count is just gonna be U16. I'll call this free block offset and assume that that's what it is. And then we have cell content offset. And then the fucking number of fragmented free bytes. Okay, fragmented free bytes is a U8. And then, rightmost pointer is not necessarily, does not necessarily exist. Okay, cool. So now I have all these things, I need to do them. So let free block offset equals U16. Is everything big endian or little endian or what? Big endian. From B bytes. That's right, right? Yeah. Then I'll do let free block offset. I love shadowing variables. It's my favorite thing to do. Match free block offsets. If it's 0, we do none. Otherwise, we do some, like that. Boom. Actually, I can just line this. Okay, that's the free block offset. Then we have cell count. Three and 4. Cell content offset. This is on Twitch, yes, YouTube chat, but it is also on YouTube, just as an experiment. Cell content offset is 5 and 6. And then fragmented free bytes. is the 7th byte. And then rightmost pointer Cannon Boot, thank you for the 2 years of tier 1. Sheesh, appreciate that. Rightmost pointer page type. So only if we are an interior index or interior table, this would be U32. Eight, 9, 10, 11. That's not the correct command for exclamation point today. There's no mods in here. They're lazy and tired. Apparently. Okay. Now I've got all this shit, I can put it all in. Okay. Run it. Does this work? Leaf table. Feedback offset is none. Cell count is 3. Offset is that. Fragmented 3 bytes is 0. Rightmost pointer is none. There we go. You have an opinion that you just typed in chat, Hyperhopper, but you presented it as if it was truth. That's weird. Okay, so we have our thing. So that's the thing. Now we have the cell pointer array. So the cell pointer array. Well, let's look at the bytes we've got here. Let's get this again. Where's my 13? 0D somewhere in here? Okay, that's the header. And then we have 8 bytes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now this is the start of the cell pointer array. Wow, okay. How do we do this? The cell pointer array immediately follows the page header. Let K be the number of cells. Do I have that already? I don't know. Is the number of cells on the page different from the number of cells on the B tree? I don't know. It consists of K 2-byte integer offsets to the cell contents. They're arranged in key order with leftmost cell first and rightmost cell last. Stored in the cell content region. So cell content. Okay, I see what we've got here. So this is like all the keys in our map, and then we have, and their pointers into all of the values in our map. Do I have, wait, is there a cell content offset? Yes, there's cell content offset. Sheet, okay, this is perfect. So I grab all the keys from here, and then I can know where they are on the offset? Cell content is stored in the cell content region. It strives to place cells as far towards the end as it can in order to leave space for the future growth. The area in between the last cell pointer array entry and the beginning of the first cell is the unallocated region. If it contains no cells, then the offset to the cell content area will equal the page size minus the bytes of reserved space. Chat, I think I'm getting ahead of myself because I'm pretty sure that the number of cells in the page is just going to be equal to the number of tables in the database for this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to call this I'm actually going to call this first underscore page, and then I'm going to print out number of tables, and then I do need to make some of these public. Dr. Moo, thank you for the Prime sub. Appreciate that for the 8 months. It's cool. Pub. So I think I should just be able to do first page dot cell count here. Page stuff plus stage 2. What's up, YouTube chat? How you guys doing? Wow, I don't have a lot of viewers on YouTube. I was kind of expecting more because I have so many more subscribers on YouTube. It's interesting. Wait, why does it say I have 90 concurrent viewers, but then it also says I have 60? Oh, this table is offset. You came from YouTube? You found out you were streaming from YouTube, came over to Twitch. Ah, makes sense. Why the fuck are you taking so long to run tests? Hello, world? Are you good? Can I see the output here? Show get output. Because VS Code is committing this for me, it's potentially... I can't really see what test it's running. Hold on. Wait, fuck. Fuck. Is it stuck? Let's make an empty command. Can't you make, I don't know. Empty commit me, please. Huh? Oh, wait. The stage passed. Okay, there we go. We got it. Stage completed. Stage 3 time. Print table names. Okay. I'm gonna get some water and then we'll do stage 3. Alrighty then. In this stage, you'll implement another dot command. Dot tables. Okay. It expects apples and oranges. They're formatted with one space. Doesn't need to. Okay. Uh-oh. You fucked your formatting up a bit there. Okay. So this is going to be very tricky, I believe, because now I actually have to do stuff. Okay, now I'm not getting ahead of myself. Now I can put most of this to use, actually. So here's the thing. I want. Okay, here. I think I might be good here. So, does it tell me how many cells there are? Or how many... Yeah, it does tell me how many cells there are. Yes. So I know how many cells there are. I know that there are 3 cells. Right? 0, 3. I'm not little n yet. I'm 0. So there's 3 cells. And then we have the start of the cell content area. And that. And so this is the first. Okay, yes, perfect. So the first cell is going to be 3983, and then it's going to be 3901, and then it's going to be 3779. Right? So those are the 3 cells that I need to get out of there. So, I don't know if I want to be greedy about this. Like, I don't know if I want to read the entire page into memory. I guess it doesn't matter. I'm using Firefox because I prefer it as a browser. What is my Twitch? Is it just my YouTube name? Yeah, it's automated. What are we doing today? We are recreating SQLite from scratch using code crafters, following along with it. Oh, you know what I want to do? I want to look at the code examples for stage 2 now. Oh, is this my example? That's my example. Haha. Okay, let's look at someone else's example. So they read the header like that. Okay, that's smart. I should probably do that eventually. Oh, they're just, yeah, they're just raw ass grabbing that. Okay. Everyone should look at my example. My example's good. 3 comments? Wait, who's commenting on my fucking post? How do I see my comments? How do I see my comments? What? What theme am I using? Dracula. Is this even possible as a single dev? Well, this is not the entirety of SQLite. This is like most of the important bits, as I understand it. How do I view comments? I can't click on this. This is stupid. I want to see who commented on my thing and if they were critiquing me or not. Yeah, commenting on how beautiful my solution is. Capture the comment. This is how would I leave a comment if I wanted to? Publish to GitHub? No, I don't want to do that. The number of cells stored in the root page includes all the types of entries, not only tables. Good to know. So my solution is technically wrong. Okay, whatever. We'll just continue on. So let cells So do I want to like load this into memory? I don't. This is not for Suika. The fucking mods. Let's give this. Let's make this cell offsets. Let's make a. Look at this. I can do vec. I can do vec with capacity. Cell count. Okay, and then we do for I in 0, it's a cell count. Okay, let's make this a U size. U16. Okay, so for I in 0 to cell count, I'm looping through all the cells. And then I would like to do cell offsets I equals U16 from BE bytes. And the bytes are going to be data, header size plus header size plus, oh, it's comments for specific lines of code. Okay, gotcha, I'll do that in a second. Header size plus I times 2. What did I do here? I'm missing a close bracket. Okay, So that should give me our cell offsets. I would like this to be pub cell. I actually don't want this to be, yeah, I guess cell offsets is going to be a vec of U16s, like so. And then I can just put this in here, like so. And then I want a function for reading a cell. And I think I want to read a cell with a certain index. Ah, fuck. I want an array that is that's indexed with U16s in Rust. I wonder if that's a thing, like a small array. Why would you ever want to recreate SQLite? I think it's fun. So far, it's fun. It's a fun challenge. Okay, hold on. I want to see if there's a Rust tiny vec or something. Because what am I using U sizes for? This doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. So I want to read a cell. And I don't know what this is going to return me yet, but I guess I'll just println. Well, no, I mean, I have offset. I guess I need to store my data. Taking self, do self.cell offsets. And then I'll do here, I guess, if I is greater than or equal to, right? If I is greater than or equal to self.cell count, then I want to like bail. This is where I would love Copilot just to write me a sane error message here. Bail cell index out of range. Okay, so I have a read cell function. I probably will need that at some point. Okay, a free block is a structure used to identify unallocated space. Okay, there's some shit we got to do here. Total amount of free space, I don't care. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, hold on. Mortizzy, thank you for the 39 months. Why greater than or equal to instead of greater than? Well, let's say the cell count was 1. Let's say we had 1 cell. The only valid value for I is 0, right? Because we can only read the 0th cell. And if you tried to read the cell number 1, that would be the second cell. And then it would be out of range. So we need greater than or equal to. Okay, so here's the elements of a cell for the various B-tree page types. 0x0D is the one we're looking at right now. Leaf table. Okay, so each cell has a varant, which is the total number of bytes of payload, the integer key, the row ID, okay, the initial portion that does not spill to overflow pages. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay. I see what you're doing here. Left child pointer, don't know what that means. A varant, which is the total number of bytes of payload, including the overflow, the integer key, the initial portion of the payload, and then the overflow, if there is an overflow. So I have my offset. Now I need to read this based on what kind of page I am, right? So I match self.pageType. And we're gonna do, we're gonna leave some of them as unimplemented for now. We're gonna do some code in here, and we're gonna do a to-do macro to mark that as unimplemented yet. Okay, so leaf table. So I need to be able to read these varants. It's a static Huffman encoding of 64-bit 2's complement integers that uses less space for smaller positive values. What Linux distro would I recommend? Doesn't matter. I use Arch, doesn't matter though. If you're using Linux for the first time, don't use Arch, probably. Between 1 and 9 bytes. Okay. I want to just get a library for variants, I think. I don't know, actually. I'll make a variant. I'll make my own variant. This is a U64, right? So we can make a unit struct, I think it's called. And then we can impl for it. Make another pub function read. Very similar to our page. No. Not similar to that. We'll take in the data, which is just a slice of U8s reference, and then an index, which is a U size. And then what we will do, so it's a I don't know what a static Huffman's encoding of 64-bit 2's complement integers means, to be honest. 0 or more bytes which have the high order bit set, followed with a single byte with the high order bit clear, or 9 bytes, whichever is shorter. Okay, I think I know what we're doing here. Bytes. So eventually what I'm gonna have to do is do U64 from BE bytes, right? No, I can't do that. Okay, so let's initialize with, let's start with making a result, right? Let mut result. It's gonna be U64. And we'll initialize you as 0, like that. And then I will do (0 to 9). What framework do I like to use for what? What's Tukes complement? It might have something to do with negative values. You might be right. Yeah. So I guess this is not a U64, it's an I64. Today, Simon. Let me do index and then index plus 9 here. So that our I is our actual index. Next.js is dog shit, view I've never used. I use SQLite. So for the first... So I'm going to grab out the byte, right? Let byte equals data I. All right, we grab our byte. And then we have let has more equals, and then I want the topmost, the high order bit. I don't know what that one is. What is the high order bit? Is that the first bit? SvelteKit JS font test. Is it faster to do greater than 0 or not equal to 0? Who knows? Depends on your endianness. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, so if we have, okay, hold on. If we have more bytes coming after this one, I need to do results. I need to shift results over by 7. Right? I'm not a freaking binary guy. But if I have like 101 and then I shift this over by 7, and then I do like 2 string 2 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, yeah, that's correct. Okay, so we shift this over by 7, and then we or on top of that we or on top of that byte and 0b 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 4 5 6 7. Okay. Okay. Great. I think that should work. Otherwise, we do the similar thing This time we shifted over by 8 and we put in the full byte. Oh shit. We also have to take the full byte if it's the 9th one. Okay, we're gonna rewrite this to be 0 through 9 again. Why am I doing this? For fun, and because I'm sponsored by Code Crafters. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's only going to go up to 8, right? No, it's gonna. I mean, I is only going to equal 8. Hold on. If I does equal 8. Hold on. If I does not equal 8, okay, got it. Okay. This should work. Okay, let's see if this works. I have no idea how to tell if this works without just trying it in context. Okay, so we're back here. We're reading our total number of bytes. So let bytes equals variant.read. I'm reading from self.data, and I'm reading on the offset being offset. I don't think they do have an OCaml version, no. Okay, so there's our we'll call this payload length, payload size. And then, what did I just do? Payload size. Ooh, this is interesting because I want to know how big this variant was as well. Can I do this? Is it gonna detect that this function is in fact will always return. Why would loops ever run 0 times? They would never run 0 times. That's not true. They would always run more than 1 time because it's fucking... Why would this have 0 elements to iterate on? It's always going to have 9. No. Undo. Okay, so now I should be able to read from self.data. At the index, which is going to be offset plus s. Fine, fuck you, make it a U size. I don't care. Okay, the initial portion of the... Okay, so then there's some payloady stuff. I gotta implement display for this. Okie dokie. Okay, so I got my thing, and then I want to do... Oh, come on, though. I have to repeat all this shit? Let's just move all this out of our command thing. And then here, I just want to do println, or no, I want to do for I in 0 to first page dot cell count. I want to do first page dot get dot read cell I. Okay, let's try this. We panicked. Index out of bounds, eh? Oh, you need to be like sized? Okay, I have 3 cells and they have some values in them. I don't know what that means yet. I mean, this is the payload size and then the row ID, I guess. Let's see if we're getting our variants right first. Rust format binary. Should be able to do that, right? I could probably have used the right macro, right? But byte : B. And then I'll print out has more as well. And also the index. Okay, so we have a variant. The first byte has the... Okay. I assume that's correct. It's hard to tell. I'll just comment this out because these are all like one length variants, so I guess they probably are correct. Wait, hold undo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, these are all 7 at most. So the high bit, which I assume is the first bit, it's never set. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay. What do I do with these cells now? I guess after this comes the payload. How do I know how long this payload bit is, though? Oh. This is complicated. Let me just read out the payload and it's like just assuming it's all on this page. What's up, Bellwether Days? Okay. That's private? How do I make this not private? It's like this. Okay, let's try this. Shit. Well, at least it worked for this one. And this one does look like it is a string of some kind. Let's see if I can stringify this string. What is it going to give me? Olar text. What does Olar text mean? Oh, color text. I don't know if I trust this to be correct. Do I per schlaps have to add on to this my self.cell content offset? Like that? No. This is byte 4085, right? This is where Olar text starts. And if we look at our header here, shouldn't it be 3983? Oh no, that's where the payload is. Okay, I know this is wrong now. I know this is wrong because it should definitely not be 90. Like, it's definitely in the middle of something. Because the stuff before it should be the varants. Like, these two would be the varants. Or maybe it is. If this is an int 8, it would be 10. And then if this was an int 8, it would be 9. Eplawless, thank you for the gift sub. Oh, wait, no. Hex 0A is a new line, right? Yeah. Yeah, okay, never mind. This is just big text. So something is wrong. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Let's print out the first page dot cell offsets. $39.83, $39.01, $37.79, $39.83. So is that's into the first? Oh shit! Fuck. I think I know what the problem is. The problem is that the problem is that it's probably expecting this to be including the 100-byte header that I had to take out. Why would I care about that? WRepper? I don't. Okay, I see what's happening here. I need to, I need to make this like a read first page function. Wait, what? Rust and Node.js together. I'm only using Node.js to test some stuff out. So this is pure Rust. I guess read first page. We do like that. And then I would have to move this into there. Okay, so now inside read first page, I need to make a new function called read first page, which is going to be similar to read. It's going to probably call read. So first we're going to read the header, and then we're going to grab the page size. What is lambda? I have no idea what you're talking about. No, what is lambda? I mean, AWS lambda? What makes you think I'm doing anything at all like AWS lambdas right now? I need a new file, and I need to call this header. And we need pub struct header. And this is just, right now, it's just going to have a page size. fucking mods, dude. Command delete today. Commands. Oh, there we go. I don't... What? Didn't you say you used Rust? What? I have no idea what anything you're saying means. It does not make any sense. Okay, so we read the first 100 bytes, and then we do let header equals header new from header, like so. So we parse those bytes, and we need to borrow this. And then we do let hold on, is there anything in the read function that expects page size, that touches page size at all besides what we're reading? No. No, there is not. So then we do like let page is page read, and then we pass in header.page size, and then we pass in reader, like so. Question mark that. And then I have to like append these bytes to the page data, right? So I do like page.data dot concat. What's the best way to do this? Oh, shoot. I think I can do let data. No, I have header. So I think do header dot, no. Page dot, can I do page dot data equals header, right? Can I do that? No. No, oh, header data. We'll call this header data. Can I do this? No. But I can do 2vec. And then can I do data dot append? Yes, I can. I can do data dot append at mute page dot data. And then I can do page dot data equals data. And then I can return okay header page. And this is mad because I need to make this mutable. I fucking deleted that command. What? Command delete exclamation point today. What the fuck is wrong with you, Stream Elements? Wait, there's no command anymore. I can't. What? I deleted the okay, Stream Elements is broken. Cool. Good to know. I did delete the command. I literally did. It doesn't show up on the dashboard. It's a ghost command. Okay, hold on. What if I add a new command called today, which says test? Activate command. Okay, now what if I do it? What? Commands add today test 2 exclamation point today. Wait, that's Nightbot. Command add today test 2. There's already a command with that trigger. Command remove today. Ah! Command edit today WTF. What the fuck? It's broken. You got it in a bad state. Okay, cool. Never mind. Never mind, we'll leave it as is. Okay, I think that all this should work. I'm not sure though. So what am I expecting? Oh, that's great. That's great, actually. Oh, wait, this is perfect, because now the row IDs are not 99, 44, or whatever. Now it's 1, 2, and 3. Now the row IDs are 1, 2, and fucking 3. And that is exactly what I want to see. Now this data, can I turn this into a string? What does that give me? Oh, here we are. Wait, what the fuck? Now Nightbot is... No. Commands. Delete today. Okay, Nightbot's fixed now. Okay, but look at this chat. Look. Table apples. Apples. Create table apples. And then we got some shit here. So this is very, very good. And then I assume if I take the other ones, these are... I guess these are just the other tables, right? Table SQLite sequence. Create table name seek. Okay, so these are like the table definitions. But they are in some weird format. There's a bunch of binary data at the start of them. And there's like a delimiter here. perhaps. So I'm not sure exactly what we can do here with this. But this is the cell payload. Cell payload overflow. So let's ignore the overflow shit for now. And I just want to see what the cell record format. The data for a table belief tree, the key was characterized as an arbitrary sequence of bytes. Payload is always in the record format? These are signed. A record contains a header and a body. The header begins with a single varant, which is the number of bytes in the header. Oh, this is cool. Oh, I wanted to see what the comments were on my code. Where are they? Oh, here we go. Oh, it's a fucking bot. It's a chat GPT. Well, I thought these would be actual people. Okay, never mind. I'm not interested anymore. Okie dokie. Let's go back to the concept of what the root table is. Yeah. So page 1 is the root page of a table B tree. It's as if it had been created using the following SQL: type text, name text, table name text, root page integer, SQL text. Okay, this is interesting now, because what I'm seeing here is that we have in here type, table, name, apples, table name, apples, root page, integer, 02, and then create table apples. That's the SQL. So this is the data right here. Yeah, this is just for fun. If you want to follow along, you can do !code crafters, or if you're YouTube, you can go in the YouTube description and there's a free trial. Okay, so the interesting thing about this, to my eyes, to my well-trained eyes, is that we have here no delimiter between our strings, right? It just goes table apples apples. So this could, there's nothing that tells me here's where one begins and here's where one ends, besides my human mind that picks out patterns. So I'm assuming that this header data up here is what is telling me that. How'd I learn Rust? It was hard. I don't know. I just self-taught in everything I do. But if you want to, if you're already a coder, I would maybe recommend Code Crafters. I think this would be a good way to learn Rust. potentially. Not if you've never learned any programming language, but if you have some concept of this, this is much more fun than any tutorial I've done before, because it's more, it feels like I'm actually doing something important rather than just following along. I don't know if this would be for everybody, but I like it. So I think I remember something about a header here, right? The SQLite schema.typed column will be one of the following text strings: table, index, view, or trigger. Okay, cool, good to know. Name is the name of the object. Index? Oh, index, interesting. Yeah, do exclamation point code crafters, and you'll have a link to it. Code crafters. There you go. Okay, record format though. So we have a 0x07, right? Which means that we have a 64-bit floating point number? Is that true? What are my indices here? Oh, come on. Fucking VS Code. Fix your shit. My index is, okay, 3983. Let's jump to our hex editor and go to 3983 in here. 3983. Okay, here we are. So we have... Wait, what? Oh, okay, yeah, we have our varant here, which gives us 111. And then we have this one, which gives us row ID. And then we go into our data. So now we have 7, which means, I guess, a floating point number. And then we get these 4, and that should give me a floating point number. 64, a float 64? 2.098. That makes no sense. That doesn't make any sense. So I'm obviously doing something wrong. Or, oh wait, hold on. The header begins with a single varant, which determines the total number of bytes in the header. So maybe this is a varant, which is instead 23, and that would just be the varant itself because it's less than 127 or whatever. But it doesn't make sense that this would be 23. Oh, wait, maybe it's 7? Oh, maybe this size is 7. And then we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then what do we get into after that? No, that doesn't make any sense because we have table apples right here. Unless it's 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe 7 includes the header? Ah, yes, the size of the header in bytes, including the size varant itself. Okay, got it. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's our header. And then we go straight into fucking data, apparently. Oh, shit, I know exactly what's happening here. Hold on, hold the phone. Okay, we have set, watch this, chat. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Tune in right now. This is cool. This is how it works, okay? Here's our header, right? Our header is 7, 23, 25, 1, 129, 57, 116, 97, right? Those are our head. No, these 7 bytes here are the header. 7, 23, 25, 25, 1, 129, 57. Okay? Makes sense. So far, makes sense. 7 is the length. So that tells us that it's the 7 bytes that we're looking at. And then the next bytes are the fucking serial type numbers, right? So what this means is the first serial type number is 23. Look at this. If n is greater than or equal to 13 and is odd, then it is a string in the text encoding. So that's 23, huh? 23 is a string in the text encoding, and n minus 13 divided by 2. So 23 minus 13, 10 divided by 2, 5 bytes in length. Guess what's 5 bytes in length? Table. Table. 23 is telling me that the first thing here is going to be a string that's 5 characters long. Then 25 apples, 6 characters long. 25 again, another apples. And then what's 1 mean? An 8-bit 2's complement integer. 0x02, right there. An 8-bit 2's it's right fucking there in front of me. And then the last one, well, this is a bit more complicated because look at this. It's 129, 57. 129, if we look at 129 here, the binary of it is 0. It has a 1 at the start, which means that this is a freaking variant that's too long, right? So we take 57 and then we add 1 to it because there's this extra 1 on it, I think. So that would mean 58, and then we do this whole create table thing, right? So I bet that this is going to be 58 unless I did my variant math wrong. Paste. Okay. If I get the length of this, what is it going to be? Is it going to be 58? Or it wouldn't be 58 because of the, how long is it? Length? Where's the length? Oh, I see what happened. Let's just grab this. S2.length is 86. 86. Okay, how does this make sense? Oh, 89. Hold on. 129, 57. Whatever. I bet that this has got to translate to 89 times 2 plus 13. Okay. Got it. I have it. I have what I want. Okay. Shit. Okay, this is fucking sick. I can start reading this. The only thing that's missing here is the payloads overflowing. Oh, that's gonna be annoying. Let's see. Excuse me. Okay. Here we are. Here's the payload. Okay, so we have our payload. I need to start reading the payload. So this is a record. Now, if I look at an interior cell, what is a left child? Okay, I don't know what the left child pointer is. I don't know what the integer key means. Oh, I guess it's the row ID. Okay. Tree leaf cell. Yeah, it's one of the challenges on the website. You should be able to do the first 2 stages for free. I'm on the 3rd stage right now. And they say that if you have a company that you work for, like if you work professionally as a coder, you can probably get the company to pay for it. They also have, I think, if you want to do the DNS server one in beta, you can do it for free as well. Anyway. make a new file called record.rs. Okay, so this record is basically a row of a database, right? BitTorrent challenge piqued your interest? Yeah, BitTorrent seems interesting as well. So what do I need to be in this struct? Well, let's work as we go. We accept a slice of bytes. Do I think it's worth it? I don't know. I honestly, completely honestly, I've had a great time so far. And I mean, I got it for free because they're sponsoring me. But I think that this is pretty fun. Vijay, thank you for the Prime sub. So first thing I need to do is read the header, right? So we know that the header length and the header length size are going to be varint varint read from data at index 0. Okay. So now we know the header length. Now what? So this gives us the header length size. Or it gives us, okay, hold on. Let's make a new value called bytes to read. Which would equal header length minus HL size. I have the fucking hiccups. Oh, okay. This is bytes left to read. This is how many bytes we have left to read. And that, oh, fuck me, dude. While bytes left to read is greater than 0. I'll make a thing called types. Serial types. Oh, this is going to be fun. I get to write a little enum for serial types. And because enums are very powerful in Rust, this will be interesting. So we have null. We have 8-bit 2's complement means signed 8-bit, so it's going to be an I8. A I16. an I-24, I suppose. We have 24-bit integers now. 48 and 64. And then a float 64. Codecrafters looks sick. Thanks, Uber. I think so too. It's been fun so far. Can you update the today command? I don't think you can because I think I broke it. I think I put sumons in a bad state. Uh, 10 and 11 are variable internal use. Okay, we don't care. And then I'm gonna have blob and then length. We'll just have this an internal thing. Blob usize and then string usize. So those are our serial types. And then I impl serial type. And I want to do a function like read. I guess we'll just take in a variant and return to self. All right, so if we have 0, we do serial type or self null. 1, self I8. 2. This is where we use Copilot, but I turned it off for you guys. Float 64. Okay, now is there a way to do a match statement here? I guess I can do this. I can do if x is greater than or equal to 12 and x mod 2. Okay, we'll just do if x is greater than or equal to 12. No, actually, we'll do this. If it's 10... No, I changed my mind again. We're going to do if x is greater than or equal to 12. If x mod 2 equals 0... which means it's even, then we do self blob. Expected use size. Okay, I'm gonna rename X to N. And then we're gonna do any other thing. We're just gonna panic at this point, honestly. I can't be bothered to add good error handling at this very moment. No, I'm not planning on writing any tests for this. Code crafters should have already written the tests, I believe. Hold on. Let's say let index equals HL size. And then we'll do here, we'll actually do while index is less than header length. Like so. Then we do index plus equals len. And we do serial types dot push serial type. Read, boom, easy, clap. Okay. I broke it, Uber. I don't know how. Thanks, Douglas. Appreciate it. But I have been making pretty consistent content on my Twitch channel, so if you want to watch my content, that's where you should do it. Okay, we have our serial type now. Now, I guess we put this inside read cell, right? If I have my payload. Then I do record equals record. Fuck. Payload. Okay, let's debug out the record, make sure we're all good here. And I do need to import debug. Okay, and let's run it. Let's see if this works. Oh, it does work. It works so fucking well. That's perfect. That's exactly what I expect. Okay. Okay, cool. So when I run dot tables, right? That prints out apples and oranges. So I guess what I want to do here is I guess the record really needs a way to read a... I like all this lazy reading, I think. Well, do I like all this lazy reading? I don't know. But if I make a function called read entry, read entry. Okay, so read entry does what? It takes in an integer. This is going to be very similar to page read cell. Yeah, okay. So we take an at self or and self, and then we take in an I. I guess I need to put my data in here. No, I borrowed my data, huh? Okay, let's just read it all up front then. Because I should already have the header length. Okay, we're going to rename this to header index here. The exclamation point today command is literally broken. Stream Elements has crashed and broken it permanently. So that's not what I'm doing. Header length, or header index. And then I also want my data index. Yeah, I tried that too, Uber. Which is going to equal header length. Header length plus 1? I think it's just header length. Yeah. So then I'm going to grab my type here. Like so. And I'm also going to do read data. So what is read data going to do? I'm going to match on serial type. Let's take a look here. 0. Okay, great. Okay. This is going to be bit weird. I mean, we have serial types. And then I guess I also need like a serial value, kind of. I don't think I can have I-24s in Rust, though. Yeah, I can't. So this is going to have to be an I-32. Fucking hiccups. Do I have water? I do have water. Okay. Fix these. Okay, there's our serial values. Okay, how do we make this work in a nice way? If it's an I8, I need to do serial value I8. And I need to pass in an assigned integer. So how do I do that? Well, I have to grab it from my payload, right? I have data. So this is going to be data at data index. Let me actually make a function on serial type called getLength. Which just takes in self. Self. It just takes in self and it returns a usize, I suppose. And this is just gonna have a match statement, match on self. And fill my match arms, please. And null is gonna be 0. This is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why is 48? Oh, I see. No, that doesn't make sense. 6. 6. 8. 8 again. 0. 0. Len. And len. I have to do this. Okay, there we go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna read our data from the data index. And I need let value equals. And then I need to do data index plus equals serial type dot get length. Simple as that. This is the Strawberry Jam OST. It's a Celeste mod. Oops, I just reloaded the YouTube tab. Okay, cool. So our data index is actually a U8. How do I, can I do an I8 like from U8 or something? I8 from BE bytes? I guess I can. From BE bytes. Data index. Like that. And I do want to borrow you. Oh, you're already pushed. Okay, hold on. We push you afterwards. push you at the very end. There we go. See, this is the kind of place where I like Copilot. So much busy work in typing all these in. From B bytes. So we need data index, and then we need data index plus 1. Although it is a bit more complicated for an I-24, right? Because an I-24 we're actually storing as an I-32. So what does that mean? Where do we put the 0 is the question. If I have big endian, the first byte is the most significant, so it would be the first byte. Okay, just like that. I could cup on cup, but if I want to do anything with it in the future, it's not very useful, right? I'd have to write a bunch of convenience methods when I wanted to do anything with it. Now, there probably is a Rust library out there that allows me to have these variable-sized bytes, but this is not. It's not like this. It's not like I'm ever going to be using this version of SQLite that I've made, you know? So I'm just doing this for practice, so there's no need to go that deep. 48 is similar to the 24, and then the 64 is... Oh, this has to be an I-48. Typo. Just take these out, and then we do 5, 6, 7. It's got to be a better way to do this, but... And then a float is going to be very similar as well. Oh, Uber, do you feel smart right now? Weird of you. Float 64 would be just an F64 from bytes. Similar, exactly the same, in fact. 0 would just be a serial value. 0. See, this is the thing that would be easier in JavaScript, when you can have any old shit you want in any way you want. Okay, so a blob, I have the blob length, right? So I want to vec with that length. And then I need to pull from my data. I need to pull a slice from my data. So I need to do data, data index ... data index plus len, right? .2vec. And I need to wrap it in serial bar. And now the string stuff is going to be a bit weird. So what is the string? What is the string storing format? Why not use Copilot? Well, I think Copilot would negate a lot of the point of what I'm doing here, which is trying to implement SQLite. And since Copilot was trained on SQLite source code, it would just end up telling me what to do. Oh, I see. So it's gonna be either UTF-8 or UTF-16. Let's just treat everything as UTF-8 right now. Because once I have to start passing global header data around, it's gonna get annoying. Okay, so I can do string from UTF-8, right? I can. Okay, we're just gonna... Okay, so that should be everything, I think. So now I should be able to do values is a vec of serial value. And then... So, what is this gonna print me out now? Something incorrect. TAA. It's only getting the first byte of the string. Oh, dumb me. Wait, what? How the fuck did it get len from? Did I just... Am I shadowing a variable here? Is there already a len somewhere? There's already a len. Okay, gotcha. Uh-oh. Okay, interesting. So it's 150 characters long, but it shouldn't be overflowing, should it? I think my varant code is, I think I'm just actually just running into my varant code not working for the first time, which is funny. Because if we look at this, the header value here, right, is where? It's 129.57. Varant decoder online. Give it to me. No, not protobuf. Oh, they are protobuf stuff, apparently. Okay, never mind. This is not what I want. Vijay, look at my fucking code, please, and read it before you say that. I would love if you did that. It would be so nice of you. It would be so courteous of you, even. Wait, why 313? Oh, because 313 minus 13 divided by 2. Got it. Maybe the code's correct. No, it can't be, because look, it's this is not. It's only 86. Okay, hold on. 86. 86 times 2 plus 13 is 185. So it should be 185 here. And what the bytes that we have are what? We have 111001. Isn't that 57? That's right. I know the binary representation of my favorite number. What of it? I memorized that at some point in my life. So if we add on... I mean, if we just prepend this with one more byte, right? Does that get us to 185? It does. Should I be shifting it over by 8 in that case? Wait, what? How did it get to 313? Is there an extra 0 in here? Oh, there's an extra 0 snuck on board somehow. 5, 6, 7. Oh, wait, how did that sneak on, though? Because result would be set to 57 here. Wait, no, it doesn't get set to 57 first. It gets set to, well, let's see. It gets set to result first. It goes in the opposite order. So it's currently set to 1, which is correct. And then it goes into here, right? Because has more is false. It's 1 and we get 57. And has more is false. So we go into this chunk and we're shifting over by 8, but I guess we have to still shift over by 7. Oh, I see why we have to. Okay, gotcha. Got it. I figured it out. Okay. It's because that 7 shift corresponds to the last one, not this one. There we go. Okay, hold on. Look at this. Table, apples, apples, 2. Create table, apples, and we got all this shit in here. Table, SQLite, sequence, SQLite, sequence. Create table, SQLite, sequence. Table, oranges, oranges. Create table, oranges. Okay, fuck yes. Okay. Okay, we're somewhere, chat. We are somewhere. Okay, cool. We got what we need. I now need to do this. I now need to finish stage 3. So again, we have pushed much farther past what we just. I guess we did need all this just for this stage. But this looks so simple. It's just like, oh, just print out the tables. No, you have to fucking parse all of the information, and I'm not. This is not even finished because this is not handling payload overflows and stuff like that. So let's say read cell returns a record, I guess. like so. And then we do record dot values and I want to get which number, because we have type name table name. So first let's get the type. It's not a table, we ignore it. I should have like unwrap string. No Copilot. This is just a Rust analyzer. Okay, moment of truth. This should say apples and SQLite. Or actually, I'll just skip the SQLite sequence one here as well. Okay, moment of truth. It should say apples and oranges. Apples and oranges. Wait, that's the actual. No, I just ran the fucking official SQLite. Yes, there we go. Add a print line at the end there. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, commit it. Stage 3 complete. Test passed. All tests ran successfully. Oh, all right. Fuck. Dude, this is crazy, man. Count rows in a table. You don't need to implement a full-blown SQL parser just yet. Okay, good. We'll get to that later. Okay, good, I guess. Can't wait. Can't wait to do a full-blown SQL parser. Now you can just split the input and pick the last item. Okay, okay, I see. So, he just wants me to get the length. You'll need to read the table's row from the SQLite schema table and follow the root page value to visit the page corresponding to the table. We'll deal with tables that span multiple pages in stage 7. Oh, great, good, because I haven't done that either. I don't think. All right, payloads. I don't know. Okay, SQLite schema table. So I've already read that table. I have it right here, basically. I don't need the SQLite sequence yet, even. I just need the root page value. What's that? Root page integer. Oh, I have that. I have that. Now, here's the fucking issue, though. Why? I assume they're not gonna. I assume it's not gonna be like a full SQL parser. I assume it's gonna be just parts of it. All that is interesting enough to be, you know, a worthy challenge. Okay. Here's the spiel. Wait, it didn't do my fucking... What? YouTube didn't put the right thumbnail on. Wait, it did. Oh, my phone's just broken, I guess. Here's the deal. This is going to be very annoying if I have to do it like this. Right? Like, if I have to loop through all of the cells, and then I have to do, like, unwrap the string to get the tables. Like, what I really should be doing is I should be loading this schema into memory. The SQLite schema. Yeah, I should do that. I should load the full schema into memory, I think. It makes a lot of sense to do that. And not even, and we can overcomplicate this, right? We could just have an array of tables, each of them having a name and a table name and SQL definition, and then a root page and a type. Yeah. So I want to convert all these records into actual tables that I store in an actual table structure to make my life easier, right? So let me actually look at what other people have done for this last one that I just finished. Go to examples. 14 comments, all ChatGPT, I suppose. Okay, that's my code. Oops. What about this guy? First page dot cells. They're looping through all the cells. Oh, they store the cells in an array. That makes sense. I'm not pre-parsing my cells. We're using this error here. They're doing some shit. Oh, I see what it is. They're using like impulse and shit. Yeah, which makes sense. Column types, capacity. I see what they're doing. They just made they just made a single number and then a single float type. Ha! Okay. Okay. Whatever, I don't care. Okay. So I feel like this step is going to be easier than the last step. So I think what we're going to do is just do this one and then end stream. Let's see here. Okay, so let's do the shit that I was talking about. Let's do that shit. So I got my first page, and then I want to read the SQLite schema. So let's make a new file called SQLite schema.rs, and let's do a pub struct SQLite schema, and this is going to have tables on it. Tables. And then that's it for now. We'll treat everything else as, we'll cross those bridges when we get to them. Now for SQLite table def, I need a name. And a table name. I still don't know what the difference is there. Root page. And root page is what? I guess it could be any number. I'll treat it as a U. I guess that's an I64. This is the biggest possible. And then SQL. Okay. And then we'll import SQLite schema from page. I gotta add this to my modules. SQLite schema, page. Taking a page, which is a page. Indeed it is. Okay, so we're just gonna assume this is proper. Again, error handling is not something that I'm super into doing at the moment. So I just want to yoink this, right? Grab all the cells. Okay, dokie. We got our name, we got our table name. Okay, so I have to define this unwrap I64 function. It's going to be similar to unwrap string, except I have a little plan and a little plot that I can do here. So what I want to do is if I am a serial value I8, then I would just do X as I64, right? So it'll turn any number that I want it to. 16, 24, 32, 48. And if it actually is an I64, then we're all happy. So that can take in, no matter what number it is, it'll just turn it into an I64. So that should work here. Because I believe it's an I8 with the root page as is. I don't want to skip the table name, and I do want to get let tables, let mut tables equals vec. That should be all I need, right? And then we just do like that. Okay, do a bit of that. And now for dot tables, I can do for table in schema dot tables if table dot table name equals SQLite sequence. guess just if not equals, then we print. Like so. This moved. Ooh, don't want to move that in there. We want to reference that from here. Is that going to cause any issues? It shouldn't. Yeah, we're good. Okay, perfect. Okay, so far so good. Let's see if this still works for the last one. Apples and oranges, great. And then I guess here is just where, well, here's the fucking issue, is now we have to do like argument parsing, right? Because we're going to be doing select count star from apples. Wait, did that actually work? To send it as one thing? Let's assume that this is a SQL command here. So let's just println executing SQL. Like that. Oh, perfect. Okay, we're fine then. So we're assume it's a count. Right, we assume that, and then we do let table equals. Should I make this a map? I guess I should. Let table equals. What does the table equal? Table equals. SQL. Oh, I love this song. I wish I could split once in reverse. Wait, there is R split once. Oh, it just didn't show up until I started typing it. Can I do R split once white space? No. What's up, Fryuni? Yo, Patch. Okie dokie. Okay, we got apples successfully. So, I mean, I can loop through the tables, but I suppose this should probably be stored as a map. Oops. A hash map. Okie dokie, that should all work. Okay, so now I would like to get, I have my table, so I want to do let table def equals schema dot get dot tables dot get table. Let me actually try doing... If I do select count from X right here, well, there's just a no to such table. So I have my table def now. So that now we have the root page, right? It said we need the root page. We need to follow the root page value to visit the page corresponding to the table. Okay. Okay. So I should probably have some kind of memoization for like loading pages. So how do I read a page? Oh, I'm kind of cringed here. So I have to read them all. This is gonna be annoying. Because this is a reader. Because this is a reader, it reads in order. I can't read. Can I read from a specific spot? I mean, I can't with my current read function. Can I do read exact? Oh. Okay, we're just gonna do this the naive way for now, I think. So if we let mut I equals 2, right? That's our current table. Then we do while I is less than table def dot root page. I just want to do page read from my reader with my page size, which is header dot page size reader. Okay, so this gives me a page. Now I want to, I guess I'll just do this, right? Oh shit, look at this! Holy fuck. Granny Smith, light green, Fuji red, Honeycrisp, blush red, golden delicious yellow. We fucking got it, dude. Shit, yeah, okay. But I don't even need to read the cells. I just have to take the cell count. I literally just have to print out the cell count and then I'm done. I just realized because I'm only counting the cells. Run it. 4. Done. So easy. So easy. Commit that. Push that. Code Crafters automatically runs tests. Hold on. Dang, it's expecting these to be in the correct order, but since I put them into a hash map, they lost that order. Okay, well, I'm down to keep them in an array then, I suppose. That's how it's got to be. So instead of this, I need to do schema.tables.find.first. No, not dot first. Tables is a vec. Oh, dot iter dot first, or iter dot find. Okay, that should do it now. Yeah, there's... Oh, fuck. Oh, you're annoying for this. Oh, no, hi. Sorry, never mind. I'm wrong. Use vec for tables. Yeah, it would be possible to... There's probably like an ordered... Oh, fuck. I can't tell if this worked or not. Because I pushed here. there's definitely data types which are ordered hash maps, but I don't care enough. Interesting. What's going on here? Not yet implemented, unsupported. Oh. It lied to me about capitalization. Let's go! Okay. Stage 4 complete. That might be it for me today, chat. I gotta fucking go and make some dinner. Let's just take a sneak peek. If they check it for you, they take all your code and they compile it, and then they run tests on their server, and then tell you the results of their tests. What's the next one? Read data from a single column. Dude, I already have this. What's peg? Bro! Really? Wait, fucking... That's what you're giving me? That's what you're gonna give me here? Not interested in reading... Oh, wait, fucking... Wait, I don't understand. Oh, I guess it's just fucking telling me to do a SQL parser here. Fun. Yeah. That would be dumb. A1 Kano. I would just want to do a data type that does this for me by looking up a library. What is nom? Nom eating data byte by byte. Peg parsing expression grammars. Wow, that's cool. However, well, I don't know. I don't really want to implement a SQL parser from scratch. No, I don't, to be honest. But that could be a useful thing to do, writing a parser. I feel like it would be a fun challenge. Yeah, I mean, we're just tokenizing it, parsing it. That's it. So easy, honestly. I should be able to do it. But I don't think I am going to write a SQL parser here and now. It has been 3.5 hours of stream. Wow, YouTube stream, very interesting. Initial viewers peaked at 100, 112, and then just slowly and gradually have just been going down over time. It's interesting. It's good to know. Good to know. I probably won't stream on YouTube anymore then. Anyone who's watching on YouTube still, fucking follow my Twitch channel. I stream like at least once a week, if not more, on there. So if you want to watch me code live, then that's the place to do it. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for me today. After using Code Crafters, yeah, pretty sick, pretty cool. They didn't pay me to say anything specific. They just said, here's your referral link and we'll give you a split of the revenue. So if you do !code crafters, or if you're on YouTube and you do, if you go to the description, there's a link there. If you're interested at all in following along with this, I think it was a very worthwhile thing for me, and I think I'll be finishing this, at least. And they have, like, what do they got? What do they got? HTTP server, that one's probably pretty easy. Oh, no, never mind. This one probably is, like, doing all the way down to an HTTP server, right? This one's probably, like, just building a raw TCP, the TCP protocol, or the HTTP protocol on top of TCP. So that's interesting. DNS server, I have no idea what that would be like, but apparently it's free, so if you want to just sign up and try the free plan, you could do that one. BitTorrent, very interesting as well. Build your own grep? Is this like build your own regex? Wow, yeah, this is basically build your own regex. That's cool. Build your own Redis, that's cool as well. This one's probably easier than SQLite. Build your own Docker, fucking dude. Really? That's crazy. And then build your own Git, dude. Yeah, this is a lot of, it seems like this is a lot of high quality tutorials, and this is unlike any other tutorial that I've used before. Can I show some simpler ones? I mean, I don't know if they have a lot of simpler ones. I guess all of these are very easy and easy. So I think probably HTTP server is easy. I wonder, I don't want to clone this. I wonder what it's like if I chose a different language proficiency here. Oh, probably not, actually. There's probably no difference. No, it's not all in Rust. They have C#, C++, Go, Java, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, Rust, Zig, and I think they're working on more as we speak. So yeah, seems like a very cool service. I had fun using it. I will probably finish using it. And if you want to sign up using my link, then if you decide to use a paid plan, then I get a cut. So it'd be cool. I do. Yeah, and they say that if you work for a tech company, you can probably get your employer to pay for it. So yeah, cool service. Enjoyed it. I'm gonna go now. Eat some dinner, make some dinner, cook some dinner even with my HelloFresh box. What are we looking like on HelloFresh signups? I gotta do my second stream for that. Yeah, it looks like we're not gonna do a cooking stream because not enough people used my code to sign up for HelloFresh. But I will still do a second stream as in my obligation. All right. Good stream. Very fun time. That was fun for me. I don't know what I'll be doing next on stream and when. I probably won't stream tomorrow because I just got my car back, so I'm probably going to be going into the office tomorrow. Do some work. I'm going to do some streamer rewards work. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will see you guys around.